Have you ever felt like your body's trying to tell you something quietly, gently, but urgently? Maybe you're always tired, your ankles swell up, or you just can't shake that feeling that something's off. Believe it or not, your kidneys could be sending you a message, and today, I want to share the most powerful natural remedy for your kidneys. A remedy your doctor might not tell you about. Now, before I dive in, let me be clear. Always talk to your doctor before adding anything new to your routine. But if you're ready to bring your kidney health back into focus, keep watching because this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's get straight to it. The #1 most powerful kidney remedy, backed by generations and growing science, is parsley. Yes, that humble green herb sitting in your kitchen. Parsley isn't just a garnish. It's a detox powerhouse packed with antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and most importantly, apigenin, which may help reduce inflammation and support healthy kidney function. But wait, there's more. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic. That means it helps your body flush out excess fluids and toxins, lightening the load on your kidneys and lowering creatinine levels. One simple cup of fresh parsley tea a day could make an incredible difference. Just chop up a handful of fresh parsley. Steep it in hot water for about 10 minutes and sip it slowly. That's it. No complicated rituals, no expensive supplements, just pure, green goodness. Let me tell you, I get it. It's scary when you feel like your health is slipping out of your control, but making small, consistent changes, like adding parsley to your daily routine, can help you take back that control, and you're not alone. So many people around the world have turned to this simple remedy to support their kidneys and feel better every day. Here's the best part. Parsley is gentle, affordable, and fits right into the rhythm of your life. Sprinkle it on your salads, blend it into smoothies, or brew it as a tea. And as you do, you're doing more than just lowering creatinine. You're giving your body the care and respect it truly deserves. So, what do you think? Have you tried parsley tea before, or do you have your own kidney-friendly remedies? Drop a comment below and let's help each other out on this journey to better health. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and remember, sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Take care of your kidneys and they'll take care of you.